video for song number 58, Careful Counter. We are now being introduced to dotted half notes. Here we go, which gets total of 3 beats. So we have to count 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We must save our bow and give the dotted half note a full 3 beats. So let's try that. Here's my quarter note beat. Song 58, Careful Counter. Violin is up. I'm in playing position. I'm swing my bow on the D string. After 1 bar, please, of 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Repeat. All the way to the tip. One, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you give that nice rest on the beat 4, and then put your violin down.